Hello, this is Juan Arellano, and today I'm doing my presentation on smart home systems, where this device will control your thermostat, will control your smart bulbs, it will control your TV, will control anything that a household can have in a smart way with either your phone app or any app-enabled device, also the home smart speaker. So for that, the this smart home system aims to solve the issue that in the smart home ecosystem that basically when you go out for errands and you don't have a schedule to set up and where you need for your lights to go on, come on, or go off anytime you go. So this will solve that issue. Also, if you have a vacuum and you need to vacuum some point during the day, this will solve the issue. So this new system will allow users to set up their smart devices in an easy and fun way. And an easy means like it will take less than 1 minute because this new devices use Bluetooth enabled device, then allows you to connect to your Wi-Fi later on. And the process to set up the device, any smart device, should be with minimum effort than other typical smart home devices. You don't need to be tech savvy. All you need to do is just have fun and be ready to enjoy your new device. And it's also recommended that devices are set up for people who are 18 and older, and that is to avoid any precaution that might have. But other than that, that will be the only requirement. Users will be able to set up their personalized schedules by on the website or on the app. For the user experience, it's easy to set up, which it can take less time, less frustration on the user, so that the user can enjoy setting up more devices and possibly buying more devices. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to set up, remove, set up schedules, and just basically to use the smart home system. And also by using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi detection, they can be ready to set up. The smart speakers will have several microphones for easy hearing. There are many speakers who are difficult, who need to be repeated. These ones will not be that case. Now, showing how the interaction will happen, here's the use case diagram. So on the use case diagram, we show how the homeowner and the guest user will set up their schedule, but only the homeowner can set up a smart device. And that is because the guest user will have limited access. Sort of like the homeowner will be the admin and the guest user will be like a regular AD user, active domain user. We can also see how the app interacts with the cases by turning off on the thermostat, turning on off the TV, turning off on the light. Now the camera system will record the video, and in this case, the law enforcement will be act as an interested party on the side. That is when the homeowner, in case somebody breaks into the house, the historical video will be sent to the law enforcement for evidence. Also, the law enforcement will be able to access the locked area in case there's a robbery or a break-in. Now, the class diagram, this is where I set up all the diagrams to follow each class. So for instance, the homeowner class will have name, email, phone number, and address as a string. Then after that, the add device, control device will be the methods, so they can be commanded via the app. Now, the app will have device type and homeowner ID as a string. So the homeowner ID through the app interacts with the homeowner, so it can call that class, and the receive command is the method that will receive the command from the user. Then from there, it goes to the smart speaker, or it goes to the smart lock or any other class that the user might be calling at that time. And we can see the relationship between them. For instance, the camera will go only to the app because it cannot, and also to the speaker to provide not the live feed on the speaker, but it's all like if somebody's present at the door or somebody's present near the camera, it will let the homeowner know. Now the smart lock, it can be accessed from the speaker and the app to lock and unlock. Thermostat is the same way, and I'm using in this case on the thermostat, I'm using in this case temperature as an integer, and mode will be the string. The mode will be the heat or cool method. Now the methods will be set the temperature and the mode. So the set temperature will be to lower or upper the temperature, and the mode will be again heat and cold. On the schedule, the time and I'm using time and a condition. The time will be when it's ready to activate the user schedule, like for instance, like what time the lights want to go on, what time the lights will go off, and things like that. Also control the thermostat. The only thing that it will not control will be the smart lock, because let's say for instance a user is coming late or is doing something else and just forgets to remove that, then the smart lock will open, and we don't want that. We don't want for the smart lock to open at any time. Now the sequence diagram is shown here, and that is how the homeowner opens the app. Then from that, it goes to the app case sequence, then also the speaker, and it types on for the app, it types turn and off, and for the speak will say turn on off. Then on the app for the smart lock will be lock and unlock command, then lock, same thing. So the only difference will be the check live feed for the camera and then send live feed to the camera. And also we can see the confirmed status once the app sends a confirmed status from the app to the users, also regarding the anything that might be happening, either like the smart light or smart lock. Also the live feed will be shown to the home user. And I put it here as a home so that it can be the guest user, it can be the homeowner user. So I just put home as the main actor. And here we have the deployment diagram. Now this diagram shows how the system is going to be deployed on the server. So we have the app and the smart speaker. Now they both communicate through the Azure API gateway, which then it will go into the Azure VM, and from the Azure virtual machine, it will go into the Azure IoT, and from there, from the Azure IoT, we'll go into the smart devices. So in this case, the Azure IoT will send data for the thermostats, the lights, and everything else. Will send the data, so it will communicate constantly. That's why I put that in there. Also, from the server, it will send data to the Azure Cosmos to store the data that is made for the user. So in this case, they're two separate entities. So if a smart device doesn't receive the data, it still will send the stored data for future reference, and vice versa. And that was my presentation. I hope you like it. I think this will be a very nice and proactive smart home system that can be integrated with all the homes and any future projects. It doesn't have to be a home, it can also be an apartment, it can be anywhere. But this will make the best smart home system to use for any entry level enthusiast. Thank you very much.